Hi, and welcome to Tony Manso Forex. In a previous video I showed you this average profit, trade profit indicator. In this video I'm going to show you another indicator that you can use in your strategy. This thing is very cool. It is the Tony Manso support resistance. So now I just drag that guy onto my chart, and now signal bars is basically the number of bars to look back in order to calculate support resistance. So I'm putting this on a 1 hour chart. I'm just going to look back 1 day, so 24 bars. Peak bar, just leave at 3, but basically it means that if this thing looks back 24 bars and the third one is the highest, then that means that bar represents, the high of that bar represents the resistance. Likewise, if that bar, the third bar back is the lowest, has the lowest low, then that bar represents the support level. Okay, and you'll see in a minute when I plot on the chart. So now this guy's looking back 1 day, and if you look here, this level is at 114.50. Okay, and if you look back 3 bars from where that level starts, that is that bar right there. Okay, likewise here we've got the level at 114.48. And if you look back 3 bars, that is the bar that created that resistance level, essentially, that indicated that resistance level. Down below here you'll see support lines. Okay, and there's another thing here. There's a number. If you look there, there's a number, and here there's a number. And what that means is, what those numbers mean, each time this high goes up, this number will increase. Right, each time this low goes down and a new low is formed, this number will increase. But not only will it increase, but it'll reset the opposite number to 0. So and for some things, for following trends, that's really handy to use. If you and I'll show in another video how to use that. But basically, yeah, this is showing you support resistance based on the last 24 hours. If I change that sample signal bars to, let's say 5 days, so what's that? 120. Okay, now it's going to look back 5 days. Let's get that. Come on. There we go. Now it's going to look back 5 days, and you'll see. Let me turn off auto scroll and go back. Okay, so in that case, the new levels won't form very often, right? Like, look over here, new level formed. Here, here's a resistance level. Before that, oh, let's scrunch that down even more. Wow. Before that, there's something way up there. Oh, that's kind of cool. So let's go back here, turn on auto scroll. Okay, and I'm going to change this back to, say, 24 for now. 24. Okay. And if I turn off auto scroll now, you'll see many more changes in the levels, because it's only looking back 1 day. Right? You can set this thing to look back as far as you want, or as little as you want. Depends on you know, if you set it to look back 5 days, then you're gonna hit some fairly major support and resistance levels showing on the indicator, right? If you have it look back 1 day, then yeah, you're gonna get a lot of levels where the price fought to get past or to break through. Anyway, this is just one of many tools that come with Tony Manso Forex, and it is a very useful thing. One quick tip: I used to use a strategy. I don't use it so much anymore because I spend a lot more time scalping now. Where once a level is formed, I wait until the price hits that level again, and then I go in the opposite direction. So if it hits this high, right, then I start trading in the opposite direction, because more than half the time it's gonna head down towards the other line. And even if it doesn't head down towards the other line, it'll head down. Even if it doesn't reach the other line, it will head down towards the other line, and you can make some pretty good money just catching bounces off of support and resistance. Okay, so anyway, so that's my indicator, and that's just one of a few that come with Tony Manso Forex. And thanks for watching, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.
All right, you are go.